Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready: app installed, permissions granted, and battery sufficient. First, open Snapshot Progressive and tap New Snapshot to begin. Choose the target folder and set resolution. Higher resolution yields better detail but larger files, so pick based on your upload limits. Once done, position your device and enable grid overlay for alignment. Make sure to select Auto Save if you want immediate backups. Start the capture sequence now and watch the progress bar for immediate feedback. Now you move into detailed execution. Set auto exposure and auto focus to handle variable lighting and lock focus when you need consistent frames across the sequence. Adjust the capture interval. Choose 1/2 second for fast motion or up to 5 seconds for slow changes, then enable stabilization to reduce blur. Once configured, run a 5-frame test to confirm exposure and color. If frames look uneven, tweak white balance and repeat the short test. You want predictable results before committing to the full run. Finish by previewing the full sequence and trimming unnecessary start or end frames. You should do this to tighten the result. Export using the chosen format and file name convention. Include timestamps for easy tracking. If you need to upload many sequences, use batch upload to queue them and monitor progress. If anything goes wrong, try this one key troubleshooting tip: free up storage and restart the app. If export still fails, reduce resolution by about 30% and retry to avoid timeouts or memory errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.